Chapter 10. Road trip. Yes, Molisha.
You want to meet my new friend?
I want to
meet my new friend.
Yes.
Wait, ma'am.
Wait.
I
Okay.
see you.
I'm waiting. I'm very excited to see your new friend. A newborn baby, no? Okay, so cute. Who is she or he?
She is my cousin.
She is your cousin. Okay. So sweet. So sweet. So now you are very happy with her now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very sweet, like you. Okay. Now, Molisha, take your place. Take your place and sit down. Can I start? Okay, Mubasir. Nice block, but now keep it away. So all of you are ready. Now we will start. We will go for a road trip. So who want to go with me? Who want to come with me? I hope all of you want to go with me. Okay, so let's start. Yes, Adrija, Koyal, Ridhan, everyone. Ridhan, Obhinabo, Adrija, everyone keep on your camera. Keep on your camera, all of you. So let's start. Yes, Paushita. Don't put anything into your mouth. It's a very bad habit. Don't put anything. Okay, so let's start. The name of the story is A Road Trip. A road trip. CW. Do you love going on road trips with your family? What do you do to pass the time while you are in the car? Read the story about two children on a road trip. So this is the story of two children just like you, and they want to go, and they have started a road trip. So while they are going, they are doing some activity. So in this story we are going to learn about things. Sunny and Ruby. So what is the name of these two children? Sunny and Ruby. Sunny and Ruby are up early today. Mean they woke up early today. It's a Saturday. So on which day they started their journey? Saturday. They are visiting grandma. So where they are going? They are visiting grandma. So they are going to visit to their grandma. Grandma lives on a farm. So where does grandma live? Grandma lives on a farm far away from the city. So student, lots of short questions are there. Okay, so underline this sentence. Grandma, where does grandma live? Grandma lives on a farm that is far away from the city. It takes 2 hours to reach the farm. So how many hours it takes? It takes 2 hours. Come on, children. We have to hurry. Mummy says that come on, do fast. We have to start our journey. Papa and Mummy put the gifts for grandma in the car. So if I ask you that where does they put put the gifts for grandma in the car. They pack snacks and juice. So what are the items they pack? Snacks and juice for the children. Sunny and Ruby hop into the car. Mommy starts the car. So who start the car? This is also very important. Mommy start the car. Mommy start the car. Papa puts on some music. So who puts on the music? Papa puts on the music. Student, also read the story with me. Read the story. Put your finger on the line. Jishan. Jishan. Follow all sentence. Everyone. No need to look at the screen. No need to look at my screen. Follow your own book. Follow your book. No need to look at my screen. I'm giving you instruction. Just listen to me. Okay. And put your finger just on the line. Next. The children look out of the windows. They see trees, cows, and wheat fields. After some time, Papa gives them sandwiches and juice. Soon, after some time, Ruby gets tired of sitting in the car. When will we reach Grandma's house? She asked. Can we take a shortcut? Shortcut means any short route to reach the destination. Sunny asked. There is no shortcut, children. Mommy tells them. I wish someone could shorten the road for me. So they want that if someone shorten the road to their grandma's house, say Ruby. That is easy. So 1 minute. Shomodip. 1 minute. Yes, Shomodip. Yes, Shomodip. Say. Yes.
Please present me.
Okay, yes, you will get attendance. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now do the class attentively. Don't worry.
Please present me.
Okay. Don't
Thank
take
you,
any. Okay. Don't worry. Just be attentive in the class. Don't take any tension for the attendance. Okay, attendance is not so important than study. Acha. Next. That is easy, says Papa. Really, Papa? Sunny asked. 1 minute. Sunny asked. That is easy, they ask, says Papa. Really, Papa? Sunny asked. Yes, but we have to play a game. We have to play a game, says Papa. Look out of the window and tell me what is why. So, why in the car they have started? They plan to play a game. Can you tell me? Because in the car, why they are traveling? If you travel for a long journey, for a long distance, but if you sit silently without doing any activity in the class, you will never enjoy your traveling. You will never enjoy your journey. So that's why they are also getting bored, that they are asking to their parents, that mama and papa, there is any shortcut. So it's mean they are not enjoying the ride. No, they are not enjoying their journey. So that's why papa planned to play a game. So student, so in your own journey also, if you want to enjoy your traveling, if you want to enjoy your journey, so you should also play some different type of game while you are traveling for a long distance. In that way, you may enjoy your journey, and it can seem the distance can seem shortened to you. Acha. Now let me clear all this. 1 minute. Yes. Don't worry, different type of short question, important short question, I will give you. At the revision time, you will get everything. Don't worry. Acha. Now, mark this meaning. Visiting. Visiting means going to see us, going to see and spend some time with anyone, with your friend, with your family member. So going to see and spend some time with someone. FARM farm. FARM farm. Farm means it is an area of land where you grow crops or keep animal. Let me tell you, CROP crops mean rice, wheat, barley, all this type of grain, also known as crop. শস্য যাকে বলে ধান, গম, ভুট্টা এই সবগুলোকে আমরা বলি crop, শস্য. Or keep animals also. This is called farm. Next, tired of. Tired of mean bored. BORED. Bored হয়ে যাই বলি tired of. Shortcut. What is shortcut? A shorter way to reach somewhere. Somewhere মানে কোথাও. A short way, shorter way, ছোটখাটো রাস্তা. And shorten. Shorten mean make something short. Make something short is called shorten. And shortcut, a shorter way to reach somewhere. কোথাও যাওয়া আর কি. Okay? Next. Achha, this is a very big chapter. Achha, let me ask you. May I continue or would I stop here? Tell me. As a student, do one thing. Now read the first page. I don't want to continue. Just read this first page now. Read the first page now. Everyone read this first page in front of me. In front of me. Read the first page up to white. Up to white. Don't waste time. Start reading up to white. Up to white. Up to white. White of the সবাই reading পড়ো. সবাই, everyone start reading from the first sentence. From here, Sunny and Ruby are up early today. Read with me. আমার সাথে পড়ো. Sunny and Ruby are up early today. It is Saturday. They are visiting Grandma. Grandma lives on a farm far away from the city. It takes 2 hours to reach the farm. Come on, children. We have to hurry. Who said? Mummy says. Let me check who are really reading. Mo Polly, what are you doing? Start reading. Jewel, Shruti, Shion Rana Afrin, Shreyan Sanchari, Mariam Parvin. Yes. Oishani Andrija, what are you doing? Devarpon is reading. Very good. Molisha, start reading. Molisha, Shubham, start reading. Bhalo kore poro. Ridhan, switch on your camera. Switch on your camera and start reading. Shubhro. Yes, Shubhro. Don't put your camera off. Mahir, Riddhima, keep on your camera.
Ma'am, tired of means
Bored.
I do not know clearly that tired of means
Bored.
no person have no energy.
Tired of mean bored. Tired.
ma'am.
Okay. Tired mean having no energy. But tired of mean bored.
Okay, ma'am. That
It is
two things have different meaning.
different because this is called phrasal verb. You will learn it later in the higher class. Tired of, bored. But tired mean having no energy. Yes, very good. Hey, Shreyan. Shreyan, what is going on in the class? What is going on in the class? What is your book, Shreyan? You are playing guitar. Read the story. Start reading. Shreyan, unmute your device. Only Shreyan reading পড়বে এখন আর কেউ হ্যান্ড রেজ করবে না don't raise your hand. Shreyan, start reading.
S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny and Ruby are up early today. It is
Saturday.
Saturday. They are
Visiting
grandma.
Grandma.
Ma live on a
Far,
from
far away from the
city. It take 2 hours.
2 hours. 2 hours.
2 hours. R-E-A-C-G. The
Farm. Okay. Don't stop. Continue. একদম থামবে না. Continue. আচ্ছা উপমা তাবাসুম বাবা please wait because let me ask to Indrayud and practice reading. Devar por also Indrayud, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
Sunny and
Ruby
are
up early today.
Today. It is Saturday. They are
Visiting grandma.
Grandmother.
Grandmother, no.
Grandma.
Grandma lives on.
Grandma
Grandma lives
lives
on
on
a farm. Lives
from
on a farm. Far away
far away
from the city. From the
city.
city. It takes
It takes
2 hours. 2 hours. To reach the farm. Farm. Not farm. It is farm. Indrayud will ask you tomorrow. So practice reading every day. Keep in mind, every day I will ask you. Improve your reading. Practice reading every day. I know. Let me ask. Acha. Tabasum, read from this paragraph. Papa and Mummy.
Papa and Mummy puts the gifts for their ma in the tub. They pack snacks and juice for the children. Sunny and Loopy is a hop into the tub. Mummy starts the tub. Papa puts on some music. The children looks out of the windows. They see the trees, house, and fields, fields. After some time, Papa dips them in sandwich and juice. It's double
Okay, okay, stop. Sandwich na baba, sandwiches and juice. Sandwiches and juice. Okay, very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Acha. Acha, Molisha, tell me one thing. Why you are moving continuously? Sit down. Don't move. Jewel, start reading. Jewel. যারা হ্যান্ড রেজ করেনি আমি আজকে তাদের জিজ্ঞেস করব। It's mean they don't want to read. Jewel. After Jewel, we'll ask Ayushman. Jewel, start reading.
Rugi.
Not Rugi, it is Ruby. Drop your hand.
Early to tea. The is Saturday.
Speak loudly, loudly. It is Saturday. They are visiting. Read loudly. They are visiting grandma.
Grandma is sleep.
They are visiting grandma. Jewel, practice more. একদম পড়ছো না। Ayushman, unmute your device. Student, I say don't raise your hand because I know who can read and who cannot. Definitely we'll ask you, but alternatively.
Ruby. Our hand up early today. It is Saturday. They are visiting
Grandma. Acha, 1 minute. Ayushman, who is with you? Who is with you? Let her stop. Who is helping you? Let her stop because I am present in the class. No, when teacher is present in the class, she will help you because this is my duty to help you, na? So তোমার সাথে যে আছে তাকে বলো চুপ করতে, আমি তোমাকে পড়িয়ে দেব। এটাই তো আমার ডিউটি। আমাকে তো দেখতে হবে তুমি একা পড়তে পারো কি পারো না, সেটাই তো আমি চেক করছি। তাকে বলে চুপ করতে, আমি আছি তোমার সাথে, ঠিক আছে? টিচার থাকলে প্যারেন্টসরা যেন ক্লাসে ইনভলভ না হয়, দিস ইজ মাই রিকোয়েস্ট। তাহলে ওরা কোনোদিনই টিচারের সাথে ইন্টারাকশন করতে পারবে না। সো লেট দেম ডু देयर ক্লাস ফ্রিলি। ওকে ওকে আয়ুষ্মান, সে they are visiting grandma. They are visiting grandma. Grandma lives on a farm. Far away from the city. From the city. Yeah, it takes 2 hours to reach the farm. Come on, children. We have to hurry. Mummy says. Very good. Pavan, where are you? Unmute your device. Pavan, what happened? Why you move from the class? Very bad it is.
SUNNY, Sony and
Not Sonny, it is Sunny. It is Sunny.
Sunny and review.
Not
R
review, it is
Ruby.
Ruby. Ruby. Hey Tabassum, what
Ruby.
happened? Who did it?
Up,
my God.
up,
Change it, don't do this, don't do this.
early, today, IT, it is STU, Saturday, THY,
Visiting. Tabassum, change all this emoji. Don't do it. Then other will start doing this. Acha, grandma lives on a farm. Grandma, ভালো করে পড়ো পাবন. Grandma lives on a farm.
Grandma lives on a farm.
বুঝতে পেরেছি. Okay, no issue. Okay, you can switch on your video. Just switch on your video.
Switch on তো আছে. Switch on তো আছে.
Now Pavan, I'm talking to Tabassum. Just look at her. ও একটা কি করে ফেলেছে ওখানে. Okay. No issue. Okay.
এই শিউটা না বম ফাটার.
Pavan, now read with me. Grandma lives on a farm. Grandma lives on a farm far away from the city.
FARM from FAR far.
Far
away from the city.
Yes. It takes
come on
children.
Children.
We have to hurry.
Have
To hurry.
2HHURRY.
Hurry.
Hurry.
Mummy says. What happened, Samiha? Say at a time, ma'am can ask 35 students. Is it possible within 20 minutes? Is it possible to ask everyone every day? Every day it is not possible, no? So, আমি জানি যারা ভীষণ উইক, যারা একদম পড়তে খুবই আটকায়, আমি তাদেরকে আগে জিজ্ঞেস করব, তোমরা তো তোমাদেরকেও জিজ্ঞেস করব, বাট একদিনে নয়, ঘুরিয়ে ফিরিয়ে অল্টারনেটিভলি সবাইকে ম্যাম জিজ্ঞেস করবে পড়া। ঠিক আছে, বলো কি বলতে চাও?
ম্যাম মাই স্ক্রিন ইজ ছোটে। ম্যাম আই ক্যান রিড।
Tabassum, Samia, not today, Baba. Definitely ask you. Did I say that stop? Why you are not reading, student? তোমরা কেন আমার জন্য ওয়েট করছো? That when ma'am will ask, that time we will only read. Why? Can't you read? পড়তে পারছো না তোমরা, কেন পড়বে না বাড়িতে? শুভম মাঝি, what are you doing? I'm very upset. And Adrita Ghosh, what are you doing? Mariam. Few students are there, like Shubhro. Shubhro is following my instruction properly. I said that Shubhro read. Shubhro is reading alone. And the other students are not following my instruction. They are just only waiting that when ma'am will unmute us, at that time we will start reading. Otherwise, no. No, this is not the case. Don't do it. Okay, don't do it. Let me check. Just like Sufyan. Sufyan, why are you talking? Why are you talking in the class? Why? আমি বললাম না যে চ্যাপ্টারটা পড়িয়েছি সেটা পড়ো, তোমরা পড়েছো? কেউ পড়ছো? You are busy, you know. You are busy to raise your hand that when ma'am will unmute us, that time we will start reading only. This is very bad habit.